Here are the ingredients to make our ladybird snack. You have half an apple, some raisins, and some peanut butter or some cream cheese. So what you're going to have to do is, maybe mommy and daddy are going to help you with this. You need to cut your apple in half again here. So it's easy if you turn it over and very carefully cut it in half. And I would suggest taking out the little seedy part here. Okay, we're going to put our apple back down here on the plate. We're going to have it a little bit open to show out it's our ladybird's wings. So next what you're going to do is very easy. You're going to take a little raisin, dip it in peanut butter or cream cheese, up to you. You can see it's covered there, and stick it on, because these are the ladybird spots. Try and remember to make your ladybird symmetrical. And keep sticking them all on. I'm going to do one more on this side. And then on the other side, I'm going to use the cream cheese. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on one side. So I need to make sure I do 5 on the other side too. Okay, now we've done our ladybird spots. If you would like, we can add some more raisins here to make the ladybird's head. So I'm just going to cover the end of my apple here in peanut butter. Because we're going to stick a lot of raisins to make the ladybird's black head. Okay, so with the raisins that you have left, you can just stick a lot of them all together. Like this. To make your ladybird's head, and there we go. There is my ladybird snack.